guys, it's Candy and Mariah Mariah Moreno, aka my daughter. We're gonna do a video of how to do kinky curly hair. And this is how we're gonna go down. Make sure your hair is completely dry, guys. If not, you're gonna damage your hair. And it could be just dry from your roots, and you say, I have it dry since the morning, but no, it's not. Alright, so we're gonna do little curlies on her. We're gonna do beach wave small curls. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do a small curl, but at the same time do it a beach wave. We're going to face it away, we're going to face it away from your face. So the barrel has to be away from your face. You're going to leave it on for like 5 seconds there. We're going to untangle it and smooth out from the ends. And we're going to let it cool. Number one rule into this is you need to let the air cool. Your hair to cool. Okay, so away, the thumb facing you, going away from your face, unless you want the Hollywood waves and then you want to go facing forward, but not face backwards, always away from your face. Leaving the hair strands out. See guys how I'm going to unwind it, still it's there, and smoothing out the ends at the same time. So, there's different kinds of barrels that you could use. Mariah wants the tighter barrel to make her hair a little bit curlier. Notice how I leave out at least about 2 inches out from the strands. Let's go the hair and pull down. See how much this hair is? This is too much. This is 2 inches. 1, 2. You want to get half of that at least. Because then the more hair you get, then it's not going to let you get the complete heat on your hair. Depending on the barrel. So if the barrel is small, then you have to do a small section. If you have thin hair, then you can get a bigger section, but if you don't, you have to get a smaller section. But take this in mind too, that if you do it with the bigger sections, you don't get too much volume. And what does everybody want? Volume. So we curl it, leave it on for 5 seconds, leave out 2 inches out, and we're not letting go of that curl. We're unwinding it, but still leaving it curl. Away from the face, this is 1 inch away, and smooth down. You always want to face down. Okay? Down, hold it for 5 seconds, leave it a little bit out more, and smooth down. Another section. Hold it, and down. Another section. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it down and down. We do the other side. And we're gonna get this piece. Reason why I like to start in the front, well, if I'm doing it on my customers, in this case my daughter. What's the first thing you see or they see? front, right? So away from the face, the thumb is facing your face, you see? Away from your face and curl. About 5 seconds and down. See the difference from a regular curl and a beach wave? This is a regular curl. I'm going to show you real quick. The regular curl is all the way to the end. And we let it go. The difference is it's more tighter, more poofier, more for an updo. A beach wave is more, you'll see how we're going to open it right now. And the reason why I say leave it open, let it cool, it's so it can last you up to 2 or 3 days. Girl, I know nobody likes to comb their hair for 2 or 3 days. Hopefully I didn't mess this one up because I showed you guys how to do the regular curl, but I shouldn't. So hold it down. We're gonna unwind it, pretty much leaving it there and then holding this straight. I can fix it, but I fixed it. Next section. What size is it? An inch. So we get another section, holding it back, again, away from your face, holding it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unwinding, and make sure the barrel's facing down and hold it down. Another section, hold it down. Holding it. And shout out to my first sponsor. Thank you, sister, for getting me the stand. See, I say something else and I am focused. Focus, sister, focus. Okay? And she got me a stand. Thank you so much. To my love and my supporters. I love ya. I love you. Hold it back. Let it go. Unwind and down. See? The best part about a beach wave is if you leave some out, it's okay. Like, it's supposed to be. See? All together in one would be too much. She wants tighter, poofier curls. So, what do we get? Smaller sections, right? People think because you're going to do bigger sections, you're going to finish faster. Well, you're going to do a crappy job and you're going to do it again. So, take your time. I know at first you won't be as fast, but you will get there and eventually be a piece of cake and you'll do your hair really fast. Okay, so hold down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it loose, but still holding on to the tip and press down. Two sections, hold it back, holding it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and holding it tight. Down. 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 See? All right. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and down. So we're gonna do all this section facing back. Facing back, always leaving a little bit out, guys. The reason why is so it can be that straight, effortless look, right? At the ends. You always want to touch the base you always want to touch the tips because you want to smooth out and give it a sleeker look. You don't want to look like if it's just like I woke up like this. Well, kind of you do, right? But not really. You want it to also look peinada, not tan despeinada. Everybody wants that beach effortless look. At least that's what I like right now. And my customers that I do their hair, when I do their hair, I know they like it too because they ask for that beachy look. I call it the bitch look, but some people like it when I call them the bitch look. Turn on the other. Okay, now we're gonna face the back. And we're gonna get this section. Hold it up. Now here you can get a softer look and tighter. You can get an inch, 2 inches, 1, 2. Holding it down. 1, 2, 3. And make sure it goes straight down. And the other section. Tell me in the comments below if this worked out for you guys. If you're having trouble in anything, what can I help you guys with? I'm here to help, and I'm here to keep your health nice, silk, shiny, and smooth. Yes, I am. So, there you go. This can go either way. It could go to that side, to this side. Usually when I do it to my hair, it's always facing to the back and I start from the bottom to the top. How I teach you guys how to blow dry hair, that's the same way I do my hair. I'll show you guys later on how the hair looks on a bigger wave, on the beach wave. If you want to look a little bit more softer, not too kinky. Holding it. See right here, her hair is a little bit more thicker, so you want to hold it up to 10 seconds if you want to. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's always leaving that tight rope and holding it again. Holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the same time, I'm kind of squeezing it and making it tight on her head. That'd be 10. See how I let the rope still there? And down. Another piece. Rolling it. Holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how this is always, it's not so silky? Because you have to go all the way to the bottom. See right there, I didn't do all the way to the bottom. Right here, I don't know why it didn't go all the way to the bottom. The curlers have to do a lot with it, guys. This one is a Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. I guess it's kind of weak for me. Kind of like better the Hot Tools, but the Hot Tools that I have on this barrel is a bit. This thing kind of broke. The Hot Tools for me I like better. Usually I like to blow dry the hair always, like round brush it before any style that I do. But since Mariah is not going anywhere and her hair, it has a chocolate treatment. This is how Mariah's hair naturally dried. She got her chocolate treatment in August before school started. It's been August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, 8 months, and this is how her hair naturally dried, guys. down and smooth it out. Smooth out the ends. Best of me, but I'll just keep on coming back inside. One, two, up and down. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Oh, I kind of opened that one, but that's alright. We'll leave it like that. This shouldn't take you a long time if you're doing a bigger barrel, but since I'm doing the smaller barrel, it does take a little bit longer. When you do it on yourself, guys, so I know we do usually the two-piece. Right now I'm going to give you guys a quick tip on how to take away the line and make sure you don't leave that line there. On the base of your crown, you don't want to make that corner open. Make sure it's closed in between your line, so it can give you one, that volume, and two, then give you that line that you have in the back. See, my daughter's so cute. She's 13, guys, so this is my little robber that comes to steal my stuff. But she's starting to know about glam and about boys and about, you know, all that good stuff that we did. Yep. Nah. What?
Embarrassing me.
I'm embarrassing you? My bad. That's okay, that's why she's turned around. And I get to talk about her behind her back. Just kidding. Well, come on, girl. Who loves you, Mariah Carey? So, fun fact. I named Mariah after Mariah Carey. Everybody knows that. Yep, I'm making a video. Come say hi.
She said that you can say
Who is it? Tío Oralito?
They're doing Mariah's hair.
Mariah Carey.
They're curling it.
Wanna take me over?
They're making fish.
Ooh, nice. We're gonna make pizzas
I think
today.
they said grilled shrimp.
Grilled shrimp. Okay, so I want to say this for everybody all the time. Number one rule. Go to sleep with your hair dry, guys. Make your hair healthy, shiny, pretty. Keep it healthy. Keep it healthy. And if not, take a shower again in the morning. Who else has freaking gained 1,000 pounds from this quarantine? It's okay. Next week, I think we're gonna do videos of how to be in a diet in this quarantine. How you say it, Mariah Carey?
Quarantine.
Quarantine. Quarantine. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound right. Quarantine. Quarantine. So, if you face up, gives it a little bit more volume. Pull and smooth out. Smooth out. So do it, do a little bit country, and a little bit rock. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share it to your homies. I know everybody wants this look. Everybody looking so fly, like glam beauty salon queens. I call them the glampies. My glampies. Because you know it's glam and Barbie, so together it's glampies. Hey! And down. Down. Sweet baby, my lucky boyfriend. Holding it down. Squeeze. Ooh, there, left one out. Okay. You guys will see the difference on how much faster it is on thicker barrels to thinner barrels. But this one you'd want to use maybe to a 15 or something. Something cute, fun, and simple. See how I left this little piece out? This is for the extra volume that I want to do at the end. And as long as, how I say, your hair is completely dry, your hair will last you 2 to 3 days. Down. So this barrel is ceramic. It's not supposed to damage your hair. The Hot Tools is also ceramic. Use something that's going to protect your hair before and after. You guys need more knowledge about any products that I use, you guys can comment and I will give you guys some tips, extra tips. And down. Curling it. Usually I curl on somebody's hair, all one side, just because, I don't know, that's the way I do it. But on my hair, I'm telling you, do from one side to the other side. So I might look cute from the front. In the back, I can't tell you so much. And the last. For right now, guys, there's a lot of home remedies that you guys could do for treating your hair. What I would do back in the day, I know it's like kind of gross, but it's better than nothing. Do the mayo, the avocado, and some oil, olive oil. Put it in the microwave and put it on your hair. Oh, I don't think so. Who's calling?
It's yes, Sandy, but we're with baby Daniel. They're doing Mariah's hair.
Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. I'm working. They gotta go.
All right, bye. Alex is ruining my video here, calling my brother and sisters, and he's screaming her head off. My bad, sister, but you just came out in my video. And lucky for you, I don't know how to edit out stuff.
I can edit.
Mariah says she knows how to edit, but she said that about Buddy's video. She never did it. Okay, turn around, Mariah. No, stay like that. I'm sorry. So we're gonna just open with our hands and straight down. Turn around. See, just with your hands. And she wants that poof, so we poof it up. Turn around. Ooh, child, you look so cute. Give them that whoosh, Mariah. Hey, hope you guys like our video. Share, like, and subscribe.